Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creation. Today I got my Fort Worth Fabric Studios package. Let's see if we can get that glare off of there. Hopefully we can. I got two packages, so I'm going to give one away. I'm going to open this up and lay it down here so you can take a look at the fabric. Alrighty, here are the wonderful colors. I'm going to get close so you can see them. This is a lot of grunge. Really pretty fall fabrics. This piece here has a bit of sparkle on it. I bet you can't even, there you go, now you can see it. And then we have our white on white, which looks like little prickly cactus. Actually, they look like little rosebush thorns going along that fabric. But they look like they're shaped sort of like feathers. And then I have a deep brown and a lighter grayish color. And then when you order their package, they always give a little extra. Look at those little buttons right there. Aren't those cute? Little orange heart buttons. And some apple cider. And then here is the name and the dates. And it tells you when the patterns are posted, so you want to mark their website so that you can go over there each week and get your download, your digital pattern. Download it, print out the thing, and then follow along. And you know this is 5 days, so it starts on the 27th of July, and on the 27th of July we cut out all the fabric and we make our first block. However many blocks it is, I don't know, I haven't read the pattern, so if it's 3 blocks, we're making 3 blocks, but I don't know how many it is. I'm just telling you so that you know in advance what all's entailed on that very first week. Okay? And then here is the long arm quilting by Laurie Brady. She's the individual who will quilt your quilts for you. And there's her information. And if you have never quilted your quilts and you always want to send them out and you have not sent them out to her, go ahead and give her a try. And she'll be in our Facebook group. She'll make comments about it and show the different designs that can be put on them. So I hope you guys will follow along with me. Get your kits ordered early. They all got shipped out on Monday. And I'll see you on the 27th. And also, Yvette is doing the quilt too, so you're going to want to check out her channel. She and I are both doing it. And you know, everybody sews a little bit different, so you can check her out too. Now you saw in the beginning I have an extra package, so I've already got it packed up in a bag. And if you would like it and you're interested, then make a comment below that you want it, and it'll come your direction, whoever the winner is. And you know, my granddaughter and I do picking the name out of the little bowl, so make a comment that you're interested in getting this pattern, or excuse me, the fabric for the pattern to follow along with the Fort Worth Fabric Studios. And I will collect all the names probably Sunday morning. It is Friday evening right now. Okay, so everybody that makes a respond up to Sunday morning, I'll put your name in the pot or in the bowl. All right, take care, everybody. See you soon. As you can see by the end of this video, I did not get this up last night. I had 3 videos I made on my phone, and by the time I was trying to edit them, get them off the telephone, to get them onto the computer, to upload them, they were a jumble at midnight last night because I was so tired. So I've come back this morning to let you know I'm putting this up as soon as I'm finished. I've just about got it edited on my phone. I'm going to put it on my computer and get it up. My bowl is ready for names. Please make a comment. I'm not going to stop it today at all. I will stop it, like I said, in the morning. So it's given us time for everybody that watches the videos on Saturday and Sunday morning to get them in. And then the first chance that I get to look tomorrow at the comments, that's when I will stop it. So it'll probably be around like noon or something, because I want to go ahead, I want to get this addressed, and then when I get off of work on Monday, I'm going to take it over to the post office. Hopefully it'll get to you a lot faster than it got to me, so that you can get it started on Monday along with the rest of us on the 27th. If you've already purchased one, not taking a chance that you might win one, and you do win one, you can always give it to a friend, or you can make it and give it away to a friend. It's your preference, whatever you want to do. Well, hopefully my bowl will fill up with some names, and Megan and I will do a drawing, and we'll get this sent out immediately. Okay? Hopefully faster than I got this video up. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.